wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best camping cots. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The texsport King Giant has an end piece designed slightly wider than the cot for extra leverage, making it easy to move without collapsing it. There's no need to air it out either, as it emits no harsh chemical smell right out of the box. It comes with a water-resistant nylon cover and suffers minimal end-to-end rocking. However, it's a bit heavy to carry at 20 pounds. At number 9, the Mountain Trails base is equipped with a completely stainless steel frame, meaning if your tent leaks and it stands in water all night long, it will not corrode. Unfortunately, the surface can't handle too much pressure on any single point. It makes a good bed for elderly dogs and has a nice springy feel, but it's very difficult to assemble. Coming in at number 8 on our list. You can't go wrong with the popular Coleman comfortsmart camping. It features a nicely padded foam mattress and a spring coil suspension that ensures a good night's sleep while away from home. It's also priced right to meet anyone's budget. It fits in a trunk easily when folded and includes a 1-year warranty. However, it won't accommodate tall individuals. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping cots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the World Outdoor Products Big Byer is built to last in all weather conditions, with a mildew-resistant fabric and an anodized aircraft-grade aluminum frame. It's very lightweight at only 16 pounds, and wide enough to accommodate larger adults. This one's low to the ground for easy access, and comes with an LED flashlight, but it can be noisy if you toss and turn. Moving up our list to number 6. Embrace the outdoors with the high-quality Byer Maine portable folding, which has multiple fabric reinforcements and conforms to your body for a comfortable night's sleep. It also has soft covers over the hinges, so the entire surface is smooth. It's very spacious at 31 inches wide and sports appealing blue and tan colors. It packs away easily in the storage bag. Halfway up our list at number 5. The kamp-rite oversize is sturdy enough that you can sit on the side and tie your shoes without it flipping over, thanks to its rugged frame and good weight distribution. Also, it doesn't have the crossbars on the end that many models do, making it easier to set up. It's equipped with a hanging mesh storage pocket, and a twin air mattress will fit on it, but the legs don't lock open when extended. At number 4, the Coleman 32 inches packaway makes for the perfect spot to rest, relax and read, outside or indoors, featuring a removable side table with a drink holder and enough space for snacks. Plus it feels durable and will last through years of use. It's equipped with a rust-resistant frame, and its generous size means it can hold large people. It's good value for the money. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Enjoy nature in a luxurious fashion with the Teton Sports Outfitter. It includes a patented steel S-leg design that can hold up to 600 pounds and a heavy-duty canvas top that won't rip or sag even under the greatest tension. It features a quick and easy one-person setup, a drawstring carrying bag, and sturdy protective rubber feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping cots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the double-layer Oxford fabric of the kingcamp Strong Stable provides impressive tension, which makes it a reliably sturdy option for the great outdoors. Plus, the head can be angled so you can sleep on it without using a pillow. It's easy to set up and break down and comes with a storage bag. It cleans easily with soap and water. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the versatile Disco Bed Large will keep you and a friend sleeping easy on your travels with its polyester surface built for 2. Its double-decker style makes it great for when you want to conserve floor space. Plus, it converts into a couch for relaxing before bedtime. It's available in black or green, and there's nearly 2 feet of height between each of them. It provides lots of storage room for gear. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping cots, or simply click beneath this video.